are still watching, thank you. And man, you must be really bored. So I'm actually 2 or 3 days early. I got through the BDR a little faster than I had planned on it. I think, this is what I think I'm going to do. I think I'm going to go to Cody tonight. I think I'm going to go to Thermopolis tomorrow because I hear they have hot springs. And who doesn't love a hot spring? And then from there I'm going to hang a right or head west and go to Jackson Hole and ride around the Tetons for a day or two. So that's my super loose general plan. And then obviously from there, we're going to make our way across Idaho and to Bend, Oregon for the Overland Pacific Northwest event. 911 bike will be a show bike or whatever. It's looking a little crusty right now. Question for y'all at the end of the video, down in the comments, and you know I love your comments. Should I wash 911 bike for the show? Or should I just roll in with it all caked in mud and dirt and grease? Okay, down in the comments, let me know. I made it to Cody, and there's a place called Buffalo Bill's Village or some crazy crap like that, and it's part of a Holiday Inn, but it costs half as much of the Holiday Inn. And you get to use the Holiday Inn amenities. So, all right. All right. Now for the sexy part of traveling 3 weeks at a time with only 2 pair of pants and 3 pair of underwear. All right, well, I'm trying to get this next video uploaded. I'm gonna have some dinner. All American, Happy Bison and a bacon cheeseburger. You guys wanted to see what I was doing on my trip, now you know.